Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Fieldwire for beginners. So first, go to fieldwire.com and sign in or sign up for an account. After you signed up, you'll be directed here. Here is the projects. I am on a sample project. Now when you go down, you will see plans. And here you can see the floor plans. Let's click on 1. And here you can see this is the floor plan. You have actions here: edit number description, rotate sheet, manage tags, set scale, compare, and export it. Go back. You can see here that you can add a new plan. So if you have a floor plan, simply click on this one and add it. Now if you want to make a new folder, simply click on this one. Next is on the tasks. Here you have your tasks. You have your due, priority, priority 2, priority 3, completed, and verified. If you want to if you are done with this one, simply input it here on completed. Now if it's verified, put it on the verified. Simply click and drag it, and that's it. Now for the photos. Here you have photos of the materials, the place, and other things. You can add a new photo by clicking on this one. Now for the forms, I currently don't have an access, but it is to digitize your paper forms. Create a template or import from account to start using forms on Fieldwire. Now on files, here I have the files that I've received or I've inputted. To add a new file, click on the plus icon. Click on new folder if you want to add a new folder. That's the basic overview of Fieldwire, and that's basically it.